Pujita along with us. Ma'am, I like to express myself that I feel honored to get a chance to interact with you. I feel very happy all the flying colors of genius all around the globe. So ma'am, this is the basic platform where you started. It was the foundation of your career. How do you feel getting back to the premises of genius?
It is very great to get back and feel feel factor kind of stuff, that this is what has given me the basis to go and achieve something. As we tell that this is a learning center for us, and all we capture is like a goodie bag as a saving for me. Then I use them as this thing to how I use it in according to situation. So it's like a very good, nice thing. Anytime you come back, it's college. It is the memories, it is the good things what you have carried forward all through.
Because it was the thing, ma'am. We heard so much about you from sir, so even we were eagerly waiting to see who that Pujita ma'am is actually. So, ma'am, what are the major differences you find? Like you've gone through the 4 years of BTech and now you have an industrial experience for 4 years. So, what is the major difference you find between both of them?
If I look at the industry and the college, the problem statement is modified and simple for us at the college level.
Yeah.
Because for them, the preparation for us is not yet to some level for which we can adapt to the complexity very quickly. And the solutions are very approachable, or few of them would solve the major of the problem there. And the way we approach in the college, or what I have observed the students, or what we have also gone through the same thing is,
you have to restricted syllabus.
Restricted way of solution. If for a problem I have one solution in hand, that is working, that's enough, I survive.
Yeah.
But if I change that from active to sentence or passive also, then you don't know what to do. It will take 2 minutes for you to convert to that old problem solution, then solve, though the problem is simple. So how the way we are breaking down the complexity, the approach is done for us by the teachers, or it is the system itself is like that.
The thing is, it is restricted over here.
Yeah.
We just learn what is given to us and we have bring that.
Yeah. The adaptability or flexibility, probably be a little scared.
Yeah.
Probably you could do. It will take a half an hour more. But that confidence or kind of insecurity, I don't know whether I'll be able to do or not. First thing is we try to look at the other people whether they are doing or not, right? So when we go to the company or wherever as a career, there you won't have time to think on this.
And also in college level, one student does it, remaining all the notes or the assignments.
Yeah. And people coming from various places, all over the India, or wherever they are from, their approachability could be different. Your approachability could be different. And here you are surviving, or here you are top, but there a number of top people already stay.
And still you are expecting more.
And the competition is more. So for me, we have to be more logical in solving anything, be more approachable, have concepts like in hand.
Okay.
I can talk, if you write a program or if you write this piece of function or anything, the output is same. But when I ask you, I tell that I gave this input and I got this output, and I say that this is the terminology of CSC. This is an interface which I am using for which it overrides a function and give me an output.
Yeah.
What is that you are talking? You are talking concepts. People give weightage to you. That is probably important when you're talking to somebody else. While solving a problem, your logical thing is sufficient. But when you're projecting to somebody else to bank yourself, what you talk also matters. How are you talking? Talk the concepts. Don't talk like a layman in English sentence that I'm giving an X and I'm getting Y as the output. Those are also very. Many of them have a problem in interview not because they don't know, not because how are they telling how to know this thing.
So communications is also important, and basically what we learned during BTech, our course, the syllabus, and we are executing that in our professional life.
As a fresher, they won't expect you to everything what you're going to work from next day in your hand already knowing it.
Yeah.
But they want to see how is your capacity to adapt to that change. By checking how are your concepts. If you know what is an interface or whatever, and some concept in C. If it is .NET or Java, it doesn't really matter. It is just the language change for you, but the concept is same across.
Yeah.
So if you know the name and you don't know what it does, and there the name changes, you are just looking at